Join me as I journey deep into the world of skin bleaching in Jamaica.
When I bleach and I catch a really white color, it's even whiter than the real white people, the color that I catch.
That's the thing about bleaching in Jamaica. The female, when them see it, them go crazy. Them be like, yo, you're pretty, you're white, you're just white, I'm pretty. So
how often do you bleach your skin?
Every day. White like Michael Jackson there.
Some people black and ugly, some girl black and ugly, you know. You know what I'm saying? So you see when them put on bleachings, them kind of look good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because you have some girl out the road and too ugly. And complexion black, like a tar.
And that is something me can't tell you the secret behind it, because we are white man come down here look the pretty black girl them, and the black men them love white skin women. We don't know what's wrong with them, you know.
Well, only idiot do those things. People sell out themselves.
What are some of the signs of someone that is bleaching? Like when you look at a person, what are some of the things that you can do tell? Like they're doing something.
Take for instance, come here, my friend Biggs.
Come Biggs.
This is a bleacher.
Biggs? No.
You see this is a stretch mark.
I thought it was just big.
No, this comes from
Do
bleaching.
you get this? This is from bleaching for her?
Yeah. Right.
So you are a bleacher.
He was white.
What?
He just come back black.
You just come back black?
Yes, you know now we're going to rub up some bleachings right now, so I can start it to get white now.
Yes, this is one of the strongest gel.
30 minutes of this, right? White is thing. Yeah, white is thing. May I tell you?
So you got as brown as him?
I got brown just like how you see those guys in America. I know the journey of bleaching. Yeah, it's a rough journey.